So unfortunately, the what do you call it, escalator, walkways, conveyor belts, whatever you want to call it, they're broken down. So we actually gotta walk. Come on, Luxor, get your shit together. All the walls inside Luxor made to look like the pyramids in Egypt. Just entering now. They're all broken down still the whole way, so we're walking. Very pretty place though. Look at that. It's like actually being in Egypt while in Las Vegas. You'll see right now when you get inside, the rooms are up top and they're actually part of the pyramid. We'll go outside in a bit, take a look at all the statues, the light beam that's seen all the way in outer space. ¿Qué pasó? No, no, estamos aquí. Back there we got the pool, the ballroom, a beauty bar. Just in case you're ugly. The liquor store over there is like a little supermarket. And back there is the casino. You can see up there, it goes up as a triangle and the rooms are up there on different floors. Back here is the main entrance to the Luxor, and because of that, look at how the main entrance is decorated when you come in. Looks like you're in Egypt. Isn't that amazing? I love that. I've always liked Luxor because I've always been so fascinated with Egypt. Such a cool place. I'd love to go there one day. Nice little fountain. You got the Egyptian lions with the pharaoh underneath their chin. And it looks like it's a wishing fountain, so let's make a wish. I wish everyone who watches this video would subscribe. You guys can help me make it come true. You're seeing this? Hit that subscribe button. Out here in the main entrance drop off area, look at the posts. The pharaohs, they got Egyptian style posts. They got the oldest pharaoh right there, Doug P. Vlogs. We got, I forgot what they're called, these Egyptian dogs. And I don't know what it is, something stinks like shit around here. It's kind of stinky. Let's see if we can come out and see the actual Luxor pyramid. Alright, we made it outside. We can see the pyramid. I don't know how good we can see it on the camera. Look at it up there. I'll try to shoot this with my phone as well. And there's the beam of light. Supposedly you're able to see this all the way from outer space. It's so bright. I know you can see it from everywhere in Las Vegas. It's amazing. And look at that. I'll get it on my phone also, just in case you guys can't see it on the GoPro because, you know, quality is a night GoPro. They're not made for filming at night. And what is this?
Thank you for asking.
Whoa, it's a dog?
That's a dog.
Whoa. See if I can get it better.
You like Spider-Man?
Whoa, that's cool.
You see Spider-Man right here? Yeah, he's Spider-Man.
So here we are on the street. More of these. I thought they were lions, but look, they look like goats or something. With the pharaoh underneath. Some more pharaohs there and back there. We've got the giant obelisk up there with the Luxor logo on it, or name. And back there is the Sphinx itself. It's very hard to see, but apparently we gotta go around there to get on the tram, which we're gonna take to get to Mandala Bay back there. So hopefully we can get a better view then. But this is Luxor. We haven't gambled yet. Well, where are you, Maria's inside gambling? I'm here filming a bit because I love Luxor so much. The P Vlogs is here as well because, well, he loves stealing everyone's videos. Oh, and look here, you can see the Sphinx better. I'll try to zoom in that way you guys can see it even better. The pyramid in the back of Luxor, hard to see with all these lights. And here's the giant obelisk. Isn't that amazing? Let's try to get a screenshot, a thumbnail. Let's try to get a thumbnail here. See if it works. Hopefully. Well, that's about it out here. This is the most amazing part about the Luxor. Gonna go inside, try my luck. Maybe we win some money. Haven't yet, but you never know. Stay tuned for more adventures. Hit the subscribe button. Back here, as you can see, they have the Eye of Osiris hieroglyphed. And there goes the tram that connects Mandala Bay with Luxor and Excalibur and vice versa. It's free and gets you to all 3 casinos if you need to go there. Courtesy of MGM. Thank you very much, MGM. Kind of noisy, and honestly, I never realized how low this thing is. It's like very low. If you're someone agile enough, could easily climb up here and probably jump and pull themselves up there. Who knows if they've tried it before or not. So we hit a bonus here. Push the button to start. Let's see what we win. Let's hope we go big. We got $5.60, 560 credits. Playing 50 cents at a time. Let's see what we win. 300. That's $3. Not much, but better than nothing, I guess. Let's keep on playing and see what we can win. Up to $9.10. We started at $10. Waitress service is terrible here. Haven't seen the waitress yet. Well, that was it for the Luxor. We didn't win no money, lost a lot. Only got 1 beer, sadly. Waitress services suck. Up next, we're gonna explore Mandala Bay. It's the last casino on the strip on the right side, and we've completed the whole strip from Circus Circus all the way to Mandala Bay. I hope there wasn't any more on that side. I don't know, but we've done literally from Circus Circus all the way to Luxor. Now we're doing the last one on this side of the strip, Mandala Bay next. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. More adventures in Las Vegas and other parts of the US coming up. Stay tuned. Leave a comment. See you next time.